Let's make this easy. Dollar Tree Halloween tier tray. All right, so I have these packs of skulls. They like little baskets that you can use to put little treats in them, but we're going to use them for something else. They come in a pack of four, and then they have the little handle. So I'm just going to pop the little handle off. They do have little holes in the side, but we don't have to worry about that because we won't see those. I spray painted it with one coat of the metallic gold spray paint because I wanted it to have like a rough look, so I didn't need it to have a full coverage. Now I have these two plates from the Dollar Tree, one big plate, one smaller plate, and you can get these in different colors, different prints. If you wanted to do the skulls all the way around the outside, you would need to grab you another pack, but we're going to do ours in the inside, kind of like a pedestal type plate. And then we're just going to position them and glue them down. You can use a strong glue too if you want to make sure everything is nice and together. But the Gorilla Hot Glue holds up really well. All right. And so once you're done with that, you have this. You can just use it just like that. It is a cute little Halloween tray to have, but we're going to make it a tier tray. So I have this candle holder also from the Dollar Tree. And they have different styles too if you want. But I grabbed this one because it was black and we didn't have to paint anything. So I'm just going to glue that down in the center. Again, if you wanted to use another type glue, you can do that. And then I'm just going to put some glue there and make sure everything is centered with the top plate. I debated on leaving it just like that because it was nice and simple, but the original idea I had was to add these bats. So I did go ahead and do that. So they come in a pack of four. They're like a little glitter on them, and they have these little clips. You can just pop those clips right off, and then it still has like a little stick there on it, and you can just glue those around. If you wanted the bats to kind of float out, you can get some wire and glue them to like a little thin wire. You can do so many different little cute things with this. You can add other things. You can add spiders, different things. But I just glued a few of those bats. And like I said, I popped that little piece off the back. And that was it. And I have a cute little Halloween tier tray. And this was so easy and so simple. And you can customize this and do this in different colors and different styles. I hope you liked. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up and make sure to follow for more fun and easy DIYs.